Japan is one of the safest countries in the world, though it still does experience crime. The question is, why is Japan crime rate is low? How does Japan manage to gain their record as the country having the lowest crime rate? To understand more of Japan's policing system, let's proceed to our discussion. But before that, let us first be familiar with Japan. Japan is called the land of the rising sun because the country is considered to lie close to where the sun rises. Japan is a part of the Ring of Fire and spans an archipelago of 14,125 islands, with the 5 main islands being Hokkaido, Honshu, the main island, Shikoku, Kyushu, and Okinawa. Tokyo is the nation's capital and largest city. Japan has over 125 million inhabitants and is the 11th most populous country in the world, as well as one of the most densely populated. Japan is divided into 47 administrative prefectures and 8 traditional regions. The Greater Tokyo area is the most populous metropolitan area in the world. Brief history of Japan's policing system. In 1872, the government sent the first Superintendent General Toshiyoshi Kawaji to Europe to study the police system. He returned the following year and in 1874 established the Tokyo Metropolitan Police Department in the Ministry of Interior. This was the first modern police organization in Japan. Police power at that time was held by the national government. General Kawaji Toshiyoshi, also known as Kawaji Toshikone, was a Japanese military general, politician, and samurai. His work are setting up of Japanese police at the aftermath of the Meiji Restoration, first as Rasutsu and then as Keisutsu, earned him the recognition as the founder of Japan's modern police system. Besides his police and military work, he was also noted for his contributions to development of Kendo, a Japanese martial arts. After World War II, the former Police Act of 1948 introduced reforms aimed at democratizing Japan's police system. The Public Safety Commission system was established to decentralize police power and ensure democratic management. However, this led to challenges such as inefficiencies in police operations. To address these issues, the Police Act was comprehensively amended in 1954, leading to the creation of the National Police Agency and the current Japanese police system. Peace Preservation Law of 1925 was a Japanese law enacted on April 22, 1925, with the aim of allowing the Special Higher Police to more effectively suppress socialists and communists. Special Higher Police or TOCO. It is created to regulate the content of motion pictures, political meeting, and election campaign. 1947 Police Law. Police system was decentralized. Municipal police and rural police were established, controlled by the National Public Safety Commission. Revised Police Law of 1954, centralized police system. Police system in Japan. National Police Agency, or NPA. The NPA, as a national agency, formulates police systems and also conducts police operations regarding cases involving national public safety, undertakes administration of matters which form the foundation of police activities such as police education and training, police communications, and criminal identification, as well as coordination of police administration. Internal bureaus. Community Safety Bureau. Koban and Shuzaiso are at the heart of police activities in Japan, and it will be discussed later on. Criminal Investigation Bureau. It is in charge of research statistics and the investigation of nationally important and international cases. Traffic Bureau. They are responsible for traffic policing and regulations. Security Bureau. They are in charge of national-level internal security affairs. Info Communications Bureau. They operates and maintains the police info communication infrastructure 24/7, enabling emergency response to all crimes, accidents, and disasters throughout Japan. Regional Police Bureaus, or RPB, are subordinate to the NPA. There are 6 RPBs nationwide. These are Tohoku Regional Police Bureau, Kanto Regional Police Bureau, Chubu Regional Police Bureau, Kinki Regional Police Bureau, Chugoku Shushoku Regional Police Bureau, and Kyushu Regional Police Bureau. They are located in major cities of each geographic region. Headed by a Director General, each RPB exercises necessary control and supervision and provides support services to the prefectural police within its jurisdiction under the authority and orders of the NPA's Commissioner General. National Public Safety Commission. The Commission's function is to guarantee the neutrality of the police system. It means that they are focusing on creating policies and guidelines that help maintain the integrity and fairness in the work of the police. Through their actions, they work to prevent any bias or unfair practices within law enforcement agencies. And also, their goal is to make sure that police activities adhere to principles of legality and justice without favoritism or partiality. And we can compare it to the DILG of the Philippines, but DILG is not a direct part of the national policing system of the Philippines, but it plays a crucial role in overseeing and coordinating various aspects of local governance and public safety, which are closely related to the broader policing and law enforcement framework. The Commission consists of a chairperson who holds the rank of Minister of State and 5 other members appointed by the Prime Minister with consent of both houses of the Diet. 2 types of law enforcement officials in Japan. The first one is the police officers of prefectural police departments. Prefectural police was headed by a director, or also known as Honbotsu, at nagsaserbisyo sila sa 47 prefectures sa Japan. Ang prefectural police ay ang mga pulisya ng bawat lalawigan. Maihahalin tulad natin ito sa provincial and city or municipal police dahil pareho sila na namamahala sa kaligtasan at kaayusan sa loob ng kanilang lalawigan. At ang pangunahing gawain nila ay ang pagpapatrol, pagpapatupad ng bastas, pag-imbestiga, at pagserbisyo sa komunidad sa kanilang lugar. Sila rin ay sumusunod sa mga patakaran at koordinasyon mula sa National Police Agency para masiguro ang seguridad sa buong bansa. Special Judicial Police Officials. Ang Special Judicial Police Officials ay ang mga opisyal na may mga espesyal na tungkulin sa sistema ng hustisya. Sila ang nagpapatupad ng mga kautusan ng korte, naglilingkod sa mga hukuman, at nagsisiguro ng mga desisyon ng hukuman ay nasusunod. Ito ay kinabibilangan ng mga tagapagtanggol, mga tagapag-imbestiga, at ipabang mga opisyal na may kaugnayan sa proseso ng katarungan. Ang kanilang trabaho ay mahalaga upang mapanatili ang integridad ng sistema ng katarungan sa Japan. Japan is ranked 8 out of 145 countries considered for the annual GFP review. GFP providing an annual ranking of countries based on their military strength, utilizing over 60 different factors. The nation holds a power index score of 0.1711 as of 2023.
The Japanese police hierarchy, as we can see, it was headed by Prime Minister, and under National Public Safety Commission, we have the National Police Agency, internal bureaus, and regional bureaus in their prefectures. And here we have the ranking system in their insignia: Commissioner General, Superintendent General, Senior Commissioner, Commissioner, Assistant Commissioner, superintendent, chief inspector, inspector, sergeant, senior police officer, police officer. Sa NPA, ang highest rank is Commissioner General, na equivalent sa Police General sa Pilipinas. And yung lowest is police officers, at sa Pilipinas naman, patrolman at patrolwoman. Key positions, Commissioner General, highest position, Director, Honbutsu, Head of Prefectural Police, Senior Policeman, Junsa Cho, position awarded to Junsa. Junsa is a term used in the Japanese policing system to refer to a police officer. It is one of the ranks within the structure of Japanese law enforcement. Junsa typically serve in various roles of police stations and are involved in general policing duties, including patrolling, responding to incidents, and maintaining public safety, one of the lower-ranking positions in the Japanese police hierarchy. Prefectural Police or Todo Fuken Keisatsu. As I mentioned earlier, Prefectural Police was headed by a director or also known as Honbutsu at nagsiservisyo sila sa 47 prefectures of Japan. Ang Prefectural Police ay ang mga pulisya ng bawat lalawigan o prefecture sa Japan. Mahalin tulad natin ito sa provincial and city or municipal police dahil pareho sila na namamahala sa kaligtasan at kaayusan sa loob ng kanilang lalawigan. At ang pangunahing gawain nila ay ang pagpatrol, pagpapatupad ng batas, pag-imbestiga at pagserbisyo sa komunidad sa kanilang lugar. Sila rin ang sumusunod sa mga patakaran at kondisyon mula sa National Police Agency para masiguro ang seguridad at kapanatagan sa buong bansa. Representative Japanese Police Units, you have General Police Unit, Mobile Police Unit, Urban Guard Police, Bicycle Police Unit, National Court Guard, Security Police Unit, Sport Competition Security Police, Rescue Unit, Mountain Rescue Unit, Riot Police, Imperial Police, Metropolitan Horse and Carriage Guard, K9, SAT or Special Assault Team, SIT, Special Investigation Team, MMAT, Martial Arts Attack Team, RATS, Riot and Tactics Squad, SST, Special Security Team, SGU or Special Guard Team, Anti-Terrorism Unit, and ART, Assault and Rescue Team. And now we have the police helicopters, which are extensively used for traffic control surveillance, pursuit of suspects, rescue, and disaster relief. Kaya mapapansin natin sa mga movie kapag yung suspect ay mabilis na nagpapatakbo upang takasan ng mga pulis, merong helicopter na nakabuntot, which is ito pala yung trabaho niya, to control surveillance and pursuit of suspect. At pati din sa mga kalamidad tulad ng bagyo kung saan hindi pwedeng puntahan ng mga sasakyan para tumulong, dito na papasok yung police helicopter para tumulong. In here, we have 4 examples of police helicopters. First, BCLL-206, EC-135, S-92, and BK-117. Japanese police uniforms. In here, we have an example of normal police uniform in spring, summer, winter, traffic, vehicle, and guard, formal, highway patrol, rescue, riot police, identification division, and motorcycle. We have also the Japanese police firearms, example, Nambu M57, Minibeya PM9, Howa Type 20, Sumitomo Minimi 5.56mm machine gun, and if we compare it to the Philippines, we have Beretta 92, Glock carbine caliber 5.56mm, M4, and Heckler and Coach UMP. And mapapansin din natin na wala masyadong gun-related crimes ang Japan because in Japan, they have a firearm and sword possession control law. It is a 1958 Japanese law concerning firearms and bladed weapon. It was enacted in 1958 and revised a number of times, most recently in 2008. And now let's talk about the best practices of Japan, which is the police boxes. It is the first line of police response to the public because they serve as the most accessible point of contact between the police and the community. Citizens can visit a Koban to report crime, seek assistance, or ask questions related to public safety. Conduct house-by-house residential survey. It is their primary work, and it is a proactive and community-focused approach to law enforcement, reinforcing the idea that the police are not just there to respond to emergencies but also to work collaboratively with the community to create a safe and secure living environment. We call police boxes in two ways: Koban, located in urban areas. If we say urban, it is in city or highly populated area. Kuzaisho, located in rural, which means province. It is also a small neighborhood police station, a form of community policing in Japan. It is also stationed in residential district operated by a community officer who resides with his family in this police facility. And now let's talk about the reasons of having low crime rates and the characteristics of Japan policing system. First, we have the community policing or police boxes. Because police boxes emphasize a strong presence of police officers within local neighborhoods, officers at Koban are encouraged to engage with the community, get to know residents, and build trust. This proactive approach fosters collaboration between law enforcement and the community. And next up, patriarchal family system. In patriarchal family structures, the authority of the male head of the household can contribute to social control within the family. This control may discourage family members from engaging in criminal behavior to avoid bringing shame or dishonor to the family. The patriarchal system can also exert social pressure to conform to traditional roles and expectations, which may discourage behavior that deviates from societal norms. Next, the importance of higher education. Higher education in Japan often leads to better job prospects and higher income levels. A well-educated population is generally less likely to resort to criminal activities due to financial desperation. Also, education in Japan instills values such as discipline, respect for authority, and social harmony. Higher education reinforces those values, promoting law-abiding behavior and a sense of responsibility within the society. Next, the way business serve as surrogate families. Shame-based rather than guilt-based. Because in Japan, individuals avoid committing crimes out of concern for the negative consequences to their reputation and the shame it would bring to their families. For example, if you commit crime, hindi lang ang sarili mong reputasyon ang masisira, kundi ang inyong buong pamilya. Kaya mas malaki ang epekto nito kung ang pamilya nyo ay may negosyo dahil hindi lang reputasyon ang masira kundi ang tiwala ng mga taong bumibili sa produkto, kaya madaming tao sa Japan ang pinipiling wag na lang mag-commit ng crime. How to become a police officer in Japan? First, to become a police officer in Japan, you must pass an entrance examination, a training period, and on-the-job training period. The entrance examination is generally open to anyone who meets the minimum age and educational requirements. To be eligible for the entrance examination, you must at least be a high school graduate and must pass a national exam. Lastly, once the requirements are met, you must undergo a year of training which consists of classroom, field, and physical training to prepare you for work as an officer. And in the Philippines, we have 10 minimum qualification to be a police officer. First, a citizen of the Philippines, a person that have a good moral conduct, must have passed the psychiatric, psychological, drug, and physical tests administered by NAPOLCOM, must possess a formal baccalaureate degree from a recognized institution of learning, must be eligible in accordance with the standards by the Commission, must not have been dishonorably discharged from military employment, must not have been convicted by final judgment of an offensive or crime involving moral turpitude, must be at least 1 meter and 62 centimeters in height for male and 1 meter and 57 centimeters for female, must weigh not more or less than 5 kilograms from the standard weight corresponding to his or her height, age, and sex, and lastly, for a new applicant, must not be less than 21 nor more than 30 years of age. That's conclude our presentation about the Japan policing system. Thank you for listening.